I want to talk to you about this portable charger. Now, I don't usually rock pink, but I got this for my daughter. She just picked up her first trailer that she's renovating, and she needed something to live in the trailer. And I like, you know what? A portable charger is awesome because when you're out on the working on a trailer, sometimes you don't have power, but so you need the portable charger. But when she does have power, she can charge it with a USB-C, or how cool is that? You can actually plug it into the wall. Now, it does come with this carrying case, but for our use case, we're not going to be using this. But if I was going to travel around, throw it in a backpack, this is just a nice silicone case that you can actually hook onto a backpack that's going to add another layer of protection here. So you can kind of see it comes charged, not all the way charged, but a little bit of charge in there with a retractable, which is something that my daughter, oh my gosh, she loses cords like she loses her mind, like daily. So I got her something that she can't lose the cord on. This was a perfect little gift for her. So we're just going to plug it in right here and take my phone and just plug it in. So we're just going to plug it in right there. And then you can see that's charging. I'm going to take my phone, and now I'm using, that is super fast charging, right? Super fast charging. I honestly didn't know that. That surprises me. So you're going to get maximum charging speed on my phone and any phone that's out there. Let me just double check on that and see if that needs to be plugged into the wall to get super fast charging or not. So nope. Okay, so when it's plugged into the wall, you're going to get super fast charging, which is cool because it makes use of the wall juice, and you can charge this and your phone at the same time. When it's not charging, you're just going to get normal fast charging. So when you plug it in, you're going to get super fast charging when it's plugged into the wall. Take it out, you're just going to get fast charging. How awesome is that though? And it's going to charge this and your phone at the same time. So that's really, really cool, as well as your silicone case that you have right there. Again, this is going to protect that for your backpack, but I love that. I actually love the fact that you can charge your phone and this at the exact same time. How cool is that?